Hey guys, Chris from TrueVan, and today we're going to be going over the Vision X's storage system, how much storage we have on board, and how much stuff can we pack inside this 144 wheelbase. So when we designed the storage space for the Vision X, like all the other vans in our lineup, we wanted to make sure that we stayed in line with the idea of creating separation of space and separation of living space so that people can be doing multiple things at the same time within the van. So whether we're talking about the storage closet in the front, the kitchen space, the overhead space, or the cabinets in the bedroom. And on top of that, we have the roof rack. Get it? There's opportunity for storage and accessibility to the things that you're storing in any part of the van. And in today's video, we're gonna be going through the many options of space that we have for you inside. So how did we go about maximizing the space in our van? Well, like what I said earlier, our idea behind the design and intentionality behind the design of each and every van in our lineup is to create a separation of space. And we've done that with the room divider, and we use storage space in order to play into that idea. Another important consideration when we design the van is making sure that everything can be secure and there's no noises when you're driving on bumpy off-roads or on the highway. I know from my experience in the past driving in old RVs, that wood-on-wood contact would be loud as you're driving down the highway, even if it was a smooth paved road. Everything is securely fastened, and for your own items, well, let's talk about that too. In the rear of the van, we have L-tracks and tie downs so that you can secure anything that you need to put on there, whether it's just a ratchet strap over camping gear like your camping chairs, or if it's something more beefy like a mountain bike, kayak, or canoe. You have the ability to strap those down securely so that they don't make any sounds and they don't rustle the back while you're driving, because we wouldn't want that. Starting with the roof rack on top, our roof rack system is truly one of a kind. It's not a unibody design. It's actually two pieces connected together. It's way more secure because there's never going to be any bending in the center. Now let's head into the bedroom. Christy Lee and I are right now on a desert trip, and we're going to show you how we used the overhead cabinet space. We have an option in this particular van where there's two overhead cabinet spaces while there's normally just one side. Over on the left side fits all of our pants, underwear, socks, and toiletries. That's what we have there. On the right side is a bunch of camera equipment and other equipment we need in order to be out here in the desert for a long period of time. Now let's move on to the kitchen. Right here we have a refrigerator with a separate fridge and freezer, and it's very much sizable. You could definitely fit a week's worth of fresh produce and meat, absolutely no problem. The freezer space is pretty ample too. We had frozen chicken, many packages of frozen vegetables and frozen fruit. That'll last us way more than a week, and we still had space left over. Now moving on to the sink area. Right underneath the sink is a cabinet where we at least put all of our cleaning supplies and paper towels, things like that. To the left of that is 3 drawers. On the top drawer, we keep our cooking and eating utensils, and the bottom 2 drawers is our pantry, where we keep just dry goods. There's another pantry area right above the microwave too. Now on the opposite side of the van, on the bottom part of that storage cabinet is where the 42-gallon freshwater tank is located. But directly above that is a giant drawer where we fit all of our cooking supplies. Now in this drawer, it's kind of crazy because we fit a juicer, we fit a blender, an induction stove, and a pan, and several other things within this drawer. And to be able to put all of those appliances and cookware into one cabinet is just amazing. And it's in a van. Now above that drawer is a closet space. There's a rod so that you can hang up your clothes and jackets. That's where we keep our jackets, our shirts, and anything else we want to hang that we didn't want to fold up in any other cabinet. We packed this thing up well, and it's really sizable. We even store our backpacks in there. If you're somebody that doesn't want to keep their bed out constantly and you want to utilize that space, the functionality of the 3-in-1 system, there's an overhead space above the driver and passenger seat where you could put away your bedding, your pillows, and anything else that you need to put up there in order to make your bed each night. And the sneakiest storage space on this entire van has to be the shoe compartment located on the passenger door side of the van. When you enter or exit, you could grab your shoes and put them away, so you're not tracking dirt into your van. And honestly, more importantly, nobody's tripping over shoes inside the van, because that could be annoying because you want as much functional space and you don't want to feel overcrowded in the van. So we found a way to fit a compartment so that your shoes never need to be seen inside your van. Anyway, guys, I'm Chris from TrueVan. If you want to see any other aspects of this van, you could book a tour at TrueVan.com, or you could see our YouTube playlist where we go through all the features of our Vision X. I'll see you next time.